everybody, I'm Lord Metello and we're back at Slime Tech, and as you can see I've done some renovating off camera using materials I already have, no cheating involved, but as you can see I've got rid of the slime lake, so not many slimes will spawn anymore. So, and I've got something else done, but you'll find out what that is later. So we're just going to eat some of this slime. Yeah. So, as you can see, I'm just eating some slime. So what I was gonna do is oh, there's enough room. Let's throw away anything that's not really useful. Oh, regular oak wood. We don't need that. That can just fall off the island. And get something else. Saplings are very important, so there's other type of wood. There's dirt. Seeds, they can go. We got enough bone meal. And what's left do we really need? There's two saplings, okay. We'll make room with. Keep hold of that materials in you. Don't really need. These slime crystals seem kind of useless. So, blah blah. That means I can get another tree. No, one tree left. What am I gonna throw away? So hard choosing. These sticks. Okay, let's go down. Oh wait, we need that. Darn. We have 2 stacks of bone meal. So, as you can see, we're going down here for once. We've never been down here. We're going down. Yeah, make it day. Whoop. Whoop. Almost went too far. It's kind of might be on minimap, yeah. It's on minimap. Here we are, we're at Slime Tech HQ. This is what I've been building off camera. Now we can put all our loot away now. So this chest will be like tools, it will be nature. So blah, 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 blah. Oh wait, will I go in there? Okay, food. Yeah. I don't know if that permission is anything. Wait, that's kinda, this thing here is kinda, that's kinda nature. Other, like not really nature-y. Kinda nature, but I guess. Tools and other. I mean, that can be tools. So the other. Okay. Yeah. Can do a bat. Not in here. So we've got these little windows. They're made by stairs, so it means mobs cannot get in. I think a silverfish could be able to, but these kind of classes will block, I think, for mobs. I don't know. I'm not sure on API system. So that's all I'm really gonna show off for you today. For now, and goodbye.